Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This here is Portie's Garage, home of DIY, most geared to automotive, but here at Mick's, you just never know what you're gonna get. And today, you can see I'm on a boat, which is parked in my driveway. How much more redneck can you get than that? Well, over the last couple of videos, you saw me change the gear oil in the lower prop unit there. We did the engine oil. Got the batteries in, got the gas in. I did notice I've got one little issue where the gas connects to the engine, the cord. It's got a little leak. We're gonna try to start it anyway. I have a feeling we're gonna get some air in there and it may not run, but we're gonna give this a shot to get this started today. So let me turn around or get the camera set up in the back and let's show you the process. All right, here we go. The Honda 1999 40 horsepower 4-stroke. So once I get this started, a couple things I'm going to check. Just changed the oil here, so I'm going to check the seals around here, make sure I'm not leaking out the bottom. You can see when I changed oil, I got a little there, so let me clean that up before we start. Where I had that leak here, so if I squeeze the bulb, if I squeeze that bulb, I get a little gas coming out here. So the seal between this connector and the boat, I think I'm going to have to replace. You just saw that drip right there, so that's not good. And then I need to also check, this is the coolant line. We like to call that the pee hole. Make sure we've got the engine peeing out the bottom. So we get rock sucked up through the bottom inlet there where the little water prop is. And sometimes rock and sand will get clogged right up in there. And we've got to pull this off and blow that clean. So we will check all those things once we get it running. I did fog it last year, so let's hope it starts pretty quick and easy. The only tools I will use is I'll get a little starter fluid, put them up in the carb in the back there if we need and it doesn't start. Hopefully fogging it will help. And then the only other tool we should need then, oh sorry, there's one more, the water muffs there. And the last tool you may need would be the victory beverage to start boat season. Let's hope she starts. All right, got the water going. Let's see if this baby will turn over. Good flow. We burned off all the fogging oil. These babies sound good. Right down the idle, holding smooth. Just what we want to hear. It is time for boat season, y'all. There, got it clean here. No leaks there. I don't know, I might not have to replace that. I think I'm going to though. I didn't like having that. There you have it all. The 1999 Sweetwater is ready to go. That's a quick note.